Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Sin x equal to e to the power of is minus e to the power of negative is over 2i. Now we need to transform sin x into this one, and we have this one multiplied by this one and this one. Next, we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to the s dv, that is about this one. So the integration of this one, we have like this. So to find this one, we see that we have s and s. We can do about factorization. So the integration of this one, we will have about this one over I plus number 2. That's it from here. Now we go to similar for the second one. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, and we have the integration, that is about this one. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.